Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatav. Today I am going to discuss about the classifications of whole casting process. So this is the third lecture of the metal casting technology. So you are welcome in my channel Pet Meta Engineering. So all the casting process is classified into the five stages. First stage is the pattern making. So in the pattern making, the pattern is prepared by using the suitable material as per the desired size as per the desired size and specifications and desired properties, desired dimensions which receive from the planning section. After preparation of the pattern is sent to the molding sections where the mold is prepared with the help of the pattern and core is separately made and after the backing it put into the drag part of mold. Then mold is prepared with the gating system. The metal is the melt and then molten metal is poured into the mold cavity with the help of the suitable gating system. Then allowed to solidify mold and in the mold and the solidify objective is eject by breaking the mold or by apart the mold if mold is prepared more than two parts. Fettling process. The casting is not ready to immediate use in the application. So first it should be required some fettling process in which some unwanted parts like riser, ingots, runners are attached with the casting that should be removed. That are removed in the fettling process. Finally, the casting is tested and inspected, so be ensured that the casting should be the defect free, and if casting is defect free then it dispatched, and if casting have the defects we have to find the root cause of that defect so that not that should not be repeated. Pattern we can discuss the in the detail all the uh, five stages of the casting process. So in the pattern making the pattern are designed and prepared as per the drawing which is received from the planning section. By using the patterns molding process is employed, then a pattern is the prepared, then it's sent to the molding section. So molding in the stage of molding and core making, the mold is prepared with the help of the pattern, and the mold are prepared either sand or the similar material with the help of pattern so that a cavity of desired shape is produced. For obtaining hollow portions, core are prepared separately in the boxes. So core generally prepared separately. Then after the preparation, it should be the backed and put in the drag part of the mold. In the melting and casting sections, the metal of the correct composition is melted in the suitable furnace. Then molten metal is poured into the mold with the help of ladle and allow the molten metal to solidify in the mold. By breaking or apart the mold, the castings are finally extracted and then sent to the cleaning section. because the casting is not suitable for the immediate use. So, casting as often from the molds are not fit for the immediate use. To make the casting fit for use, need for work in the machine shop to remove unwanted metal attached in the form of gates and risers. So that gate and risers should be the removed by the cutting operation. Also remove the sand particles which also tend to adhere to the surface of the casting. At the higher temperature, the grains of the sands are fused into the casting. So surface is become the rough. That's required the machining process. All the work of removing the unnecessary projections and cleaning and making uniform the casting performed in fettling section, testing and inspection. Finally, before the casting is dispatched from the foundry, it is tested and inspected to ensure that it is flawless and conform to the desired specification. In case any defects or shortcomings are observed during inspection which may render the casting unfit, analysis is necessary to determine the causes of these defects so as to prevent their reoccurrence. So defects should not be repeat, for which we have to find the root cause so these defects should not repeat. So these all five processes are important that are followed during the producing the casting. When the any metal is convert to the molten form, then it should be allowed to solidify in the mold. So for the all casting process, all the five steps are the followed. So these are the some references. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. If you have any query, so please write in the comment box. Thank you.